Okay, so Tucketts sent this to me. Everybody talks about face care, but how many people really talk about taking care of your feet? So inside, these are the 4 different items that are in this nice spa. So let's go ahead and check it out. The first one is this nice massage ball. So this is really good for putting it under your feet and just, pressing your foot down on it. Doing it about 5 minutes per day is definitely useful. And then these are nice toe separators. So once you start to wear them for a couple minutes a day, what it's going to do is start to align your feet again. And then you have the detoxifying charcoal foot scrub. So this one is really good to make sure to scrub under your feet and kind of get off that dead skin. It smells really nice. It does not have a very strong charcoal scent, which is what I like. I don't want to have something super strong. And then once you go ahead and use that, you do have a nice sort of soothing moisturizer that you can go ahead and use. Now this one smells so good. This is what it looks like, and honestly, it makes you feel like you're at the spa, at the beach. This is going to help you take care and moisturize your feet, making sure it stays nice and soft. These 4 items are really good if you want to have a nice home foot spa day.